Bow, bow. Let's see my friends. Look, Cindy comes. Hi Cindy, please introduce yourself for my friends. Of course, boo, boo. I am a cow. Cindy, what do you do in the farm? How do you help others? I love to eat grass and I make milk that I give to others. And you know, milk is used to make dairy products like butter, cheese, yogurt and ice cream. That sounds great. Bye, I am going. Bye-bye. Oh, look, Evie is coming. Hi, Evie. Hi, puppy. Please introduce yourself. Of course, I am a pig. Oink, oink. What do you do in the farm? I like to play in the mud and it feels so wonderful and squishy, and some of the people like to eat my meat. Bye, I am going. Bye bye. Hi. What? Hi sheepy. Hi puppy. What do you do in the farm? I like to eat grass and I give my wool to others to make clothes. Oh, that sounds awesome. Bye, I am going. Bye bye. Oh, Danny is coming. Hi, Hi, Danny. Hi, puppy. Danny, what do you do in the farm? I like to swim in the pond and I give egg to others. Wow, that's great. I am going. Bye. Oh, Chicky is coming. Hi, Chicky. Hi, puppy. What do you do in the farm? I like to eat corn and I give egg to others. Some of the people likes to eat my flesh. Bye-bye. I am going. Bye-bye. See, all my friends are very helpful to others. Bye from all. See you next time. So what I learned from this act is we cannot deny the importance of animals in our life. They have been providing us with food, shelter, companionship, entertainment, etc. So we should take care of their health and well-being.